Hello everyone, this will be our first lecture with Bluebeam Revu. In this overview, we'll discuss what is Bluebeam Revu, the benefits, its user interface, and we'll explore that user interface plus profiles. Now, what is Bluebeam Revu? Bluebeam specializes in designing tools for creating, editing, marking up, collaborating, and sharing PDF documents. It helps architecture, engineering, and construction teams connect office and field with a reliable, easily accessible single source of truth. Its benefits include improved communication and design quality, maintaining data integrity right from the start, save time and money from project after project, connect the office and the field in real time. So let's get started. The center of the interface is called the main workspace. This is where your drawing and markups will appear. The menu bar above organizes the features by task. These drop-downs allow you to have access to most of the tools in Revu. We'll briefly go over this, just the basic drop-down options to learn about its features. On the very left of the menu bar, you'll find the Revu menu. This is where you'll find options that affect Revu as a whole, including preferences, access to profiles, keyboard shortcuts, and the Bluebeam Administrator. Revu's keyboard shortcuts let you work more efficiently. You can also edit most shortcuts by opening the dialog box, selecting the functions, and reassigning the shortcuts. Next, the File menu. The File menu contains everything related to your files. Here, you will find options for creating new files, working with templates, opening files, and saving them. The Document menu. The Document menu features tools that will affect the entire document, such as extract, split, replace, or delete pages. Other important options include headers and footers, comparing documents, flattening, and unflattening content. Batch. The Batch menu provides access to tools that can be used on multiple PDFs at the same time and comes in handy, especially in the review stage. These tools include split, stamp, compare, overlay, and reduce file size for documents with a file size that is too large for sharing. Note that some features in the Batch menu may be version specific. Tools. The Tools menu drop-down includes all markup tools, such as text, Cloud and Cloud Plus, stamps, and measurement markups. Near the bottom of the menu, you will see where to turn on and off various toolbars to create your favorite workflow. Toolbars not part of the current profile will appear at the top. The Help menu contains resources and links to support. You can locate technical support, report an issue, make a suggestion. Lastly, you can launch review tutorials on Bluebeam University for more learning and educational resources. Now that you have seen how the menu bar is organized, it's time to explore the toolbars that contain shortcuts for many functions and options that you'll be using in Revu. Toolbars are groups of icons that can be organized on any side of the Revu interface. These represent various functions or tools that can be moved around your interface to meet your specific workflow needs. A toolbar will always have a string of dots near the top of the left side called handles. A handle is where you can click and drag and move the toolbar to a different location or unlock it. Here's a demonstration. The handle, the dots, right click, lock, and then you see the dots or the handle disappear. Right click again, unlock it. Also, you can go to the Tools, Toolbar, and you can turn off and on the navigation bar and the properties toolbar. Now, as I select a markup, such as the text box, you'll see a toolbar appear at the very top. Now, this is the Properties toolbar, and it's a dynamic toolbar just above the main workspace by default, and it shows the property based on the markup you selected. Now notice the icons running on the left side of the main workspace. This is called Panel Access. These icons will open and close on their associated panels. These panels are specialized pullouts used for review functions that require more complex interactions than single clicks. Panels typically contain detailed metadata and additional tools. These panels were designed to maximize the screen space for working on detailed documents. You can control how wide they are by hovering over the edge of the panel and click and drag the panel in or out to resize. Next, you can right-click to find the Attach function, which will move the panel icon to the associate panel to the left or right, or to the bottom of the interface. You can also detach or unlock your panels. Move to the right. Hide it. Click over here, Show. Unhide the tool chest. Now, a key panel called a markup list is at the bottom of the interface and follows the same behavior. We'll go over the markup list and its functions in more detail in a later session as well. Now let's talk about profiles. Profiles are an easy, customizable way to add your favorite toolbars, menus, and other display settings. This ensures that the tools that you find most useful are available in Revu. In this lesson, we'll move toolbars, turn off panels, and update tools to show exactly what you need. This is the essence of profiles, saving your configurations that are most useful to you to your specific workflow. Let's look at Revu profiles right now. To see our profiles, let's go up to Revu. Let's select Profiles. And you see Bluebeam comes with a few preset profiles here. A Review Advanced, Quantity Takeoff, Field Issues, Design Review, Takeoff. Some of you may only have 4, but in this case, I will have 6. So let's just take a look at Review Advanced. You see a couple tools are added above as soon as we click Advanced. Let's go back to Review, Profiles, Quantity Takeoff. You see that the interface changes to adapt to the quantity takeoffs. So this is where you can switch profiles to fit your needs, whatever configuration you want to use for that particular workflow. That being said, you can customize existing profiles or create your own. Let's now create our own profile using the existing profile Review Advanced. So let's go to Review, Profiles, and click Review Advanced. And we're going to customize our own profile. Like I said before, we can turn off and on certain tools. So let's go to Tools, go to Toolbar. Let's click this status bar keep that active. You see down below it just got active. And we won't need advanced. Let's deselect measure. Let's keep rotate. Let's deselect the text. All right. You know what? Let's go back to tools and let's deselect rotation. I don't think we need that as well. All right. Now let's right click on the bookmark icon here. Right click it and let's say attached and let's bring it to the right. As you can see, it moves to the right. In this course, we're not going to use the signature icon, so let's click on the signature. Select hide. You see that's gone. Now, let's save this newly created profile. Let's go to Review, Profiles, Manage Profiles. Let's add, and let's name it Essentials. Okay. Now, you see that Essentials is added to the profiles list, and now it's our active profile. So let's press OK. And here we have it. Let's go back to review to see our changes, profiles. And now you see that Essentials is part of our profiles.